Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here well and welcome to the new update on Dogelon Mars. Dogelon Mars is still moving at this very long-term up trend line support. In fact, very close to this up trend line support. We are testing this support, in fact, that is here at point double zero double zero double zero six times zero one four two zero dollar. That is a quite long-term support, by the way. It had been previously working as a support here and resistance here, support here, and for several weeks a month it has been working as support here and support here as well. And if the price then breaks down this support, then first we will need to break down this uptrend line support. Then it can test the next long-term support here at 1150. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. By the way, I have been showing you this wedge when it was moving inside this falling wedge pattern. I was telling you that after the breakout, we can expect a very, very massive pump. And so far from this low, when last time it was testing the support of the wedge here up till this high, it was almost 487% but pump, but the pricing could not break out this long-term resistance of 5520. And now we have broken down this support zone that was from 2500 to 2205, and now we are dropped down at this uptrend line support and this long-term support of 1420. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2025 in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. Now, let's start analysis. And first of all, let me take you here on the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it has been moving inside this channel. And after the breakout, we had a very, very nice pump. And by the way, before the breakout, we also tested this very long-term uptrend line support as well for several days of weeks. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this uptrend line support is coming from here from the month of June 2021. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, and this was another bounce. Almost had another bounce here and several touch points here. And finally, we broke out the channel. And the technical target for this breakout that I was telling you was here at the top of the channel at 4200. And you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target up to 6800, but could not break out this long-term resistance of 5520. By the way, this 5520 was previously breaking as a resistance here and support here and almost as a resistance here as well. And in fact, we also did not break out this resistance of 4200 as well. Despite this long spike, the price then could not break out this resistance. And this 4200 was previously breaking as a resistance here. And for a few weeks, it has been breaking as a resistance here as well. Now we have broken down this very significant support zone. That starts from 2500 and goes to 2205. It was previously breaking as support zone here and resistance on here, and now it can again work as a strong resistance for the price line. Right now, we are testing this very long-term support of 1420 along with this uptrend line support once again. And there is a very high probability that after testing these two support levels, price line may start another reversal from here. And in case of a price reversal, still we will need to break out this resistance zone once again. Now, if you take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, you can see that on the 7 days time frame chart, we have already broken out this wedge and the technical target will be here at the top of the red. That will be at 22760. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.